Do you want your favorite browser button to be easier to reach? Fortunately, you can customize the Samsung Internet Toolbar on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, letting you rearrange, add, or remove toolbar button in just a few taps. Let me show you how. First, open Samsung Internet on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Next, tap the three dot icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap Setting. Tap Layout and Menus. Under the Customize section, tap Toolbar. At the top of the screen, you will see a preview of your current toolbar. To change the order of the button, simply drag and drop them into your preferred position. As a note, the toolbar can display up to 7 buttons. If it's already full and you want to add a different button, you will first need to remove one. To remove a button, tap the red minus icon on the button you want to remove. Once there's space available, drag a button from the available button section below into the toolbar preview to add it. If you ever want to restore the default layout, tap Reset in the top left corner. Once you are happy with your change, tap Done in the top right corner to save them. And that's how you customize the Samsung Internet Toolbar on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. By arranging the toolbar the way you like, you can access your favorite browser feature more quickly and make browsing more convenient every day. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.